Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm Yes, oh yes. Hopefully I'm saying that
I
right.
don't say finally, but we're always hoping to get this one early. And Kim is still, I think, the ambassador, or whatever you'd call it, for that to use your special link to get a percentage off or something.
Okay, so should I pull up the card first? I always pull out, well, I guess I'll do the card first. I always pull out the products first, but let's see, 2019,
That's
it's all
pretty.
about you.
It's pretty. It makes me
And
think of
then
Lord of
it
the Rings.
shows you, I think, what's the products on the back. And it says you paid $14.99, total savings 78.5%, total price if purchased individually $70.
We'll
So-
see about that.
Okay, so this thing that feels like a book. Let's see, Crown
Ooh.
Pro 10 Color OMG Eyeshadow Collection. Are there pinks in here? Is it just hinting at something that's not? Well, this is what the cover looks like, but I'll open it and see what it looks like. But I won't, I guess, swatch it or anything if, you know, I mean.
If you can see the colors you don't want them, then you know.
Yeah.
I just hope that there's like a plastic over the. I'm very picky, so I don't want plastic over the shadows myself. But
Hopefully, I don't know.
we shall see. Mon ami.
So I think I have a purple that replaced like the purple I'm almost out of
Hopefully
the
there's
pinks.
plastic over.
Wait. Oh, there is. Okay.
You saw nothing.
But, I mean, it's, I think it's safe to give away.
Do you want to show the colors on the inside? I just took it from her because I know she's holding the other part. No, I know. Hold
Okay.
on. There's a plastic in here. So if I can do this without
Damaging
screwing up
anything.
too much. This is kind of like the colors it comes with.
Because I'll probably
if
put
you
that
can
in a
see
giveaway.
that. Yeah. It is very pretty, so we're trying to
If
keep
it
the
had
plastic
like
on it and not
pinks,
touch
I
it.
would
Very
keep it.
careful with that. It's really pretty
But
though.
I have a couple blues
I
already.
think it's really
so
pretty
I don't,
colors. So if somebody got that, I think they'd be lucky.
and I think blue is like probably the color we.
Right? You don't wear them often.
Yeah.
I wore blue eyeliner, I think, on 4th of July, and that was about it.
Yeah.
Which was in one of our giveaway videos.
Do you want to put this back in there while I pull out the rest?
I sure
Thank
will.
you. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is Longwear Matte Lip Gloss,
Ooh.
Beauty Creations, in the color Kiss Me.
I told her this one seemed
There's
like a good one
that.
this time, like just from the feel of the outside of the package.
I'm like, rotate it. I'm gonna drop it.
It actually says matte lip gloss. Is that the same as, that should be like a lip, matte, like liquid lip, right? Or no? I was gonna look at it, give long wear. See, that's what I was thinking, like, I want long wear ones myself, that's why I'm so excited
A
for.
pale pigment. Is this like an eyeshadow?
It looks like it's an eyeshadow.
Charcoal. I guess it's just an eyeshadow. It looks really glittery.
It's kind of hard to probably see the font on there, but
Yeah.
it's kind of dark, it gets dark.
So if you want to hold that.
I will.
And then
It's a highlighter. I mean, I'm assuming, I don't know.
INM. I don't know, Lovely versus Star Highlighter. I think I have to look at the color. It says Twilight. If this one was anything darker than like a whitish color,
Do you
then
want to hold your bag? You can open it real quick and show everybody what color. Because I'm curious.
it's easier to open without damaging it.
Yeah, I mean, that's true.
Uh,
She does give them away if they're not the right
yeah, if they're
color.
like too dark. I can't even get it open.
I know.
Ah!
Like, we don't want to rip it just in case
Well,
we were going to put it in a giveaway, but maybe
I kind of am ripping it, so I'll just rip it and then just do something else with it.
you could always give it to like a niece or nephew's girlfriend or something, or son's girlfriend.
Okay, so I
Also,
guess I could swatch those since
it's
I'm
pretty packaging.
Actually,
Is that?
I was showing you the bottom. That's what the top looks like. See, I don't get that. That's supposed to be a highlighter, but I don't know why they don't call it like a bronzer or something. Right? Is that the color, or am I just
Yeah,
tripping?
no, that's like the color. I don't know.
I should like.
Because I use darker ones, but not that dark. That's kind of darker, so.
I don't know. We'll have to find something to do with that because I got a broke box. Okay, and then the last thing is in CLA,
That's
Los
pretty.
Angeles.
That's pretty. We're supposed to get, I think, one of those polishes, or at least I saw in Allure, we're supposed to get a polish like that, but I'm wondering what color we will get. That's really pretty.
Sorry,
Like, I like that color. So I think she got, that's just my opinion, but awesome stuff. Like, I like, except this thing, I would be like, kicked to the curb, but the rest of it I feel like is good. Especially the palette in this. Awesome stuff. And then this one's, how much a month?
I'd have to look at my thing. I thought it was around like 16, but it says $14.99, so I don't know if it's
Maybe it's
$14.99.
$14.99 shipping, maybe. If it's drastically different, we'll let you guys know. But Kim will try to include a link that should save you guys some money if you did want to get this, you know, this little boxer bag for yourselves. That was it for this video. Give us a thumbs up if we were short enough and to the point, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another giveaway at 200 subscribers, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.